Listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, you.
I am really good.
I'm glad to hear that.
So how was your summer?
Well, it was pretty wonderful.
Oh yeah, what do you do?
I went on vacation with my family.
Really, where did you go?
We went on a trip to Machu Picchu, Peru.
Oh wow, I have always wanted to go there.
You should. It's amazing. There is so much history there.
You have to try this restaurant. I want to.
Oh, really? What kind of food do they serve?
Thai food, I went there with my boyfriend.
Thai food. Wow, that sounds delicious.
Oh, it is.
What did you have?
I had pad thai.
What is that?
It's a noodle dish with peanuts. I love it.
Cool. I will have to try it. Where is the restaurant?
It's downtown right on Main Street next to the movie theater.
Great, maybe. I will take my girlfriend there and then go see a movie.
Man, I would love to get out of the city.
Oh, me too. Do you ever go camping?
Yes, I love camping. It's such a good escape from everyday life.
Absolutely. I love camping and cooking over an open fire.
Me too. I love sleeping outside and hearing all the nature sounds.
Oh, yes, you have to watch out for bears.
I know, but if you make sure you don't leave food out, it's okay.
Do you know of any good campsites?
Yes, there is a perfect place a few hours from here on the mountains.
Cool. You will have to tell me how to get there.
Sure, you have to drive a few hours north and then hike for about 30 minutes.
Sounds amazing, thanks.
Do you like going to the theater?
Do you mean the movie theater?
No, I mean to a play in a theater.
Oh yes, in fact I do. I love going to the theater.
Really, what kind of plays do you like?
Well, I love Shakespeare.
Oh, me too. What is your favorite Shakespeare play?
It's Hamlet. It's such an amazing play, so tragic.
Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Who went with you?
My brother went with me.
Was the one in the red shirt your brother?
No, the one in the blue shirt was my brother.
What did you buy from the market?
We bought toys and chips from the market.
How did you all go?
We went by walking.
How did you arrive when you come back?
We come back by bus.
Did you find anything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there.
What did you have for dinner last night?
We had chicken for dinner last night.
Where was your dad yesterday? My dad will to the office. What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I cooked pasta.
What language do you study at school?
I studies English.
Did you visit the student lounge last week?
Yes, I visit the student lounge.
Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it.
When did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park.
Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to the cook.
What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to visit my friend this weekend.
What did you breakfast today?
I had cereal.
Did you visit a friend last week?
Yes, I visited my friend.
Did you play games with your siblings?
No, I don't play any games.
Where did you travel on your last vacation?
I want to the beach.
What did you wear to the party?
I wore a dress.
Did you study English last night?
Yes, I studied for an hour. What are your plans for next summer?
I am going to travel to Europe next summer. Did you take a shower this morning?
Yes, I took a shower.
Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forget to water them. What did you have for lunch yesterday? I had a sandwich.
Did you watch a soccer game on TV?
No, I didn't watch any games.
What movie did you watch last weekend?
I watched a comedy.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them in the kitchen.
What did you drink with dinner last night?
I had water.
Did you read a book before bedtime?
Yes, I read the novel.
Where did you meet your best friend?
I met them at school.
Did you help your parents with chores?
Yes, I helped with the dishes.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
I went to a restaurant. Did you listen to music in your car? Yes, I listened my favorite song.
What did you draw in your art class?
I draw a beautiful sunset.
Where did you go shopping last weekend?
I went to the mall.
Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought them at the store.
Did you swim in the pool on a hot day?
No, I didn't swim.
Did you play with your dog in the car?
Yes, I played fetch.
What did you have for dessert at the restaurant?
I had ice cream.
Did you for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed home.
Do you like spicy food?
Yeah, I like spicy dishes.
Were you sleeping last night?
No, I was reading a book.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
Did you enjoy the concert last night?
Yes, I enjoy the concert very much.
What are your plans for tonight?
I am going to watch a movie tonight.
Did you speak any foreign language?
Yes, I speak French and German.
What was she making for breakfast?
She was frying eggs.
Will you join us for dinner?
Yes, I will join you for dinner.
What time does the bus usually arrive?
The bus usually arrives at 9:30 a.m.
Did you remember to lock the door?
Yes, I remember to lock the door.
Are you going to the party next week?
No, I am not going to the party next week.
Did you watch a fireworks display?
Yes, I watched the fireworks.
Will you need any help tomorrow?
No, I won't need any help tomorrow.
Where did you go for a family picnic?
We went to the park.
What are you going to do after class?
I am going to meet my friends after class.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
Did you plant flowers in your garden?
Yes, I planted roses.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 5 years.
Did they invite you to the wedding?
Yes, they invited me to the wedding.
Where did you see a rainbow?
I saw it after the rain.
Did you ride a horse at the ranch?
No, I didn't ride a horse.
What did you play at the playground?
I played on the swings.
Did you attend a birthday party last week?
Yes, I celebrated with a cake.
See you later. Goodbye.
Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.